What?
Okay na.
Okay, 1. Yun na yun, ha? 1. Hawak ito. 2. Hey! Isa. Tapos 3. And then 4. Bagsak ka. And then 5. Okay. Yan yung number 1. Down. Stand up. Number 2. Hawak. Okay. Number 2, ha? 1. And then 2. Ayan na. Hey! Isa. Tapos yun ang kuha. 3. And then 4. Strike. Strike dead ulit. Kuha. O ngayon. Number 3. Holding number 3. Step forward. Ito. And then chop. Sa Adam's apple. Step backward. And then cracking. And then hawak. Strike to the lower ribs. And then baltak. And then the hold. Back this to the groin. Okay, good. Tapik now. Tapik. 1. Number 4, holdings. Step forward and then vertical pass. And then hold. And then cracking. Grab. Sweeping. Strike. Okay. Number 5. Okay, holdings number 5. Okay. From right to left. Okay. Twist. Step forward yung kaliwang paa. Adam sa apple strike. Reverse knife hand. Strike, ha? Hold and then cracking. And then step backward, crack ulit. Ha! Step forward, crack again. Pa! And then strike. Okay. Ngayon, fighting position. This is split fighting number 1. Okay. So talk 1. Outside lock, vertical punch. And then elbow strike forward. Grab and then sweeping. Strike. Okay. Fighting position. This fighting number 2. Okay, move. And then double cracking. And then power strike. Hold and then sweeping versus down. Strike. Down. Step. Bow. This.